Hi! So I thought we could do a lovely meditation now. It's going to be about 6-7 minutes long, so make sure you're lovely and cozy on this cold day. I've got my lovely meditation blanket. I always wear this blanket when I meditate because your body temperature drops really quickly when you slowing down, so make sure you're cozy. You can even do this in bed if you want to. I'm not going to make you sit up for the whole thing. If you want to lie down, that's absolutely fine. You are not being relaxing, body. Come here. And if you're pregnant, I want you to lie on your side. And if you're not pregnant, lie on your back. If you've got any lower back problems, you might want to put a couple of cushions under your knees or even just lie with your legs bent. But other than that, just make sure that you're cozy. So if you want to come into any comfortable position for you, I'm not going to be too pernickety about exactly how you lie down. So when you're lying comfortably, then we will begin. So just start to watch the breath coming in and out of the body. In through the nose and out through the nose. As you breathe in, just say to yourself, I have arrived. And as you breathe out, say to yourself, I am home. So sometimes when we meditate, there might be distracting noises. So at the minute, I can hear my heating, I can hear the wind outside. And just welcome these noises into your meditation. So instead of trying to fight the reality of the situation that you're in, instead invite it into your meditation. So you might even want to say to yourself, I can hear whatever you can hear, and I invite it into my relaxation. Relax the jaw. Bring your attention to your toes and let your toes relax. Relax your ankles and the backs of the legs. All of the tension that you hold on to in your buttocks. Give your body complete permission to release this. Relax your shoulders, your arms, and your fingertips. Relax your forehead and your scalp. And as you breathe out, I want you to let go of any residual tension that you're holding on to. Just notice without any judgment how you're feeling today. Don't try and change it. But just notice. Notice if there are any strong emotions in the body. And also notice how that feels. Maybe it feels light and it's in the tummy. Maybe it feels heavy. Maybe it feels fluttery. Try not to go into a story about why you feel that way. Just notice how you feel without feeding it. And as you breathe in, whichever emotion you can feel, you're just going to acknowledge that. So as you breathe in, you're going to say, as I breathe in, I notice whatever emotion in my body. And as I breathe out, I smile to whatever emotion. You have everything you need in this moment. And you are enough, exactly as you are. And as you breathe in, you're going to imagine the breath coming in and around the right nostril and around the forehead, back out through the left nostril on the out breath. So as you breathe in, it's coming up into the nostril, the right nostril, and it's coming around the forehead. So on the out breath, it's coming out through the left nostril. And then as you breathe in this time, it's going to go up through the left nostril and around and down and out the right nostril. So it's visualized alternate nostril breathing. Breathing in through the right nostril and out through the left nostril, then out through the left nostril, in through the left nostril and out through the right nostril. And just let that drop. And just let your mind do whatever it needs to do. Take the biggest breath you've taken all day. And then take an even bigger one. Gently start to wiggle your fingers and toes. Do any little stretches your body craves. And in your own time, there's no rush. Just come up to a seated position whenever you're ready. Just do any little stretches here that feel nice. Oh. And thank you very much for spending some time doing a video today. I'll see you the next time we meet.